Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add the 220 and 50 EMAs in MetaTrader 5. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Insert menu, then click on Indicators and select Moving Average. Now for the first EMA, set the period to 20. Choose High. For the Apply to option, select the color and line style you prefer. Click OK. Now you'll see the first EMA line on your chart. Next, go back to Insert. Greater than Indicators, greater than Moving Average again. This time, set the period to 50, choose Open. Pick a different color and line style, click OK. And the 50 EMA will be added to your chart. Finally, repeat the steps. Go to Insert, select Indicators, then Moving Average. Set the period to 200, choose Low, pick another color, and line style, click OK. And you'll now see the 200 EMA on the chart. And that's it. All three EMAs, 20, 50, and 200, are now added to your chart. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful trading tutorials.